Jai Hind, dear students. I hope so you all are doing well. So, we are learning how to solve questions of exercise 8.3. In this video, we are going to solve question number 10. Question number 10 says that what rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years, right? The principal amount of rupees 56,000, the interest earned in the time period of 2 years is rupees 280. With this information, we need to find the rate, right? So basically, we can solve this question by using two slightly different approaches. In the first approach, we will use unitary method. Okay, so if it is given that for 2 years the interest had been made of rupees 280, right? So now we are going to find for 1 year. So if we will find for 1 year, so interest had been made will be equals to rupees 280 divided by 2, right? Now we will reduce it. 2 1 times is 2, 140 times is 280. It means that for 1 year interest had been made for rupees 140. What it basically means that on rupees 56,000 we are trying to find how much interest per annum has been made. So interest per annum will be equals to, we are writing as PA, rupees 240 for 1 year, right? So now for on rupees 100, the interest per annum will be equals to what? So we will write it on rupees 100, interest per annum will be equals to, that will be equals to 140 divided by 56,000 into 100. How we are using in unitary method? The 140 will be copied down and 56,000 that will be written in denominator, and for the number which we need to find, that has to be multiplied. So rupees 100 we will write over here. If you will say 2 zeros will be cancelled out by 2 zeros, right? Still we have 1 zero in the denominator, that will be cancelled in by the numerator part. So we are left with 14 over 56. And when you will reduce, you will get 14 1 times is 14 and 14 4 times is 56. It means that interest per annum has been made of rupees 0.25. We will divide 1 by 4. I hope so you have understood. Using this approach we have solved this question. So on rupees 100 we have found that rupees 0.25 interest per annum has been made. Using this part we can directly say that rate of interest will be now 0.25%, right? In the second approach, we will set up an equation and try to solve. So let's start using second approach. So first of all, let us assume the rate as any variable. So let rate of interest we can take as R%. Okay, you can take any other variable also. So as we know, interest is equals to P into R into T upon 100. So basically we will put all the values and we try to find value of R. Interest has been given as rupees 280. Principal is given as rupees 56,000. Rate we don't know, So what we will do, we will write as r percent, or basically r simple. Okay, now time is given as 2 years. We will write 2 over 100. Now we will try to reduce to find the value of r. So 2 zeros will be cancelled out by 2 zeros, and we are left with 560 as a principal. So this 0 will be cancelled out by this 0. Now if you proceed, you can see that r can be written as 28 upon 56 into 2 on doing cross multiplication, because right side we are having 56 and 2 in the numerator. So again we will reduce. 56 and 28 are factors 1 upon 2. In the numerator we are having 1 only, and in denominator we are having 2 into 2, which means that 4. So we have directly found using the formula that rate of interest is 1 by 4%, or simply it is 0.25% per annum. Don't forget this. Okay, so in this way, using two approaches, we have solved this question, and I hope so you have understood these approaches and you can use any of the approach while solving this type of questions. So let's learn more in our next video.